Hey ICs, welcome back to another video. That's how I feel today. Okay, so I don't know what type of look I'm going to be creating for today, but I said I just wanted to do something since I didn't get to film last week. I wanted to film so I can at least get a video out to you guys this week. So let's hop right into it. But pause, wait for a second, hold on.
If you don't know who I am, hello, hi, how are you doing? I am ICMONROE. Thank you, and my bonnet and everything.
I know I just had a bonnet on a second ago and now I don't. What power? Right, so before we even get into it, okay, don't forget. I don't even care if you subscribe. Okay, how about you just like my video and leave a comment below? That's all I ask for. I don't even care if you subscribe. You know what? At this point in time, I want to share something with you guys. I don't even care if you watch my videos. You watch my videos. If you don't, you don't. That's how I'm feeling right about now. I really don't care at this point. I'm doing this more for myself and like a little stress reliever. Since I really don't go out. Since I really don't go out that much, aka almost at all. Um, I like I need to do something, I like makeup too. Just saying. So yeah, enough of me rambling. Let's get right into it. So guys, yes, baby. Okay, guys. So the first color I'm gonna go in with, I'm going to go in with this tan color right here, and we're going to use this as our transition color. Like I said, I don't know what type of look we're going to be doing today, but already feeling it. Let me just grab my mirror so I'm not looking in the monitor the whole time, okay? Okay. So just in case you guys want to know, for my base, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural because it looks damn near white on me. So. And I did not set it, so I'm actually setting it with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this reddish brown color. It is so pigmented and it's easy to pick up a lot. Like, y'all see that? You guys see that? It's pigmented as hell. Even after tapping some off. Maybe because my brush is a little damp. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go in my crease area and I'm bringing it all the way down. And I'm gonna make sure to bring that into my corner. And just pat it on, bring it in. I'm kind of sweeping it out. Okay, now with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take this darker, it's a darker red. I'm gonna take this one. I actually take this red and I'm gonna take this darker red and this brown and I mix these two together. Like, I still want to keep in the red family, but I want it to be a little bit darker. Take this it's called a smudge brush. It's called a smudge brush. I don't ever really use it for anything, but I'm going to take that and dip into, I picked that way too much. I'm going to dip it into the black in that palette, and I'm going to just kind of pat it in. I love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. I'm going to take that blending brush that I used for the red and brown. And I'm going to take this A2O Glow liquid eyeshadow. And this is in the color Heat. Yeah. I'm going to take it and I'm going to basically cut my crease with it. So I'm going to kind of just apply it. I know you guys can see, looking up, helping me know where to cut. With my favorite little flathead brush. I'm going to go over it with this. I might blend it. I'm going to go over it with this pink, these two pink. I am going to lightly. I'm just putting it in from my Treasure Chest palette by Mellow. I'm going to take this rose gold, take that, and place it on top. So now I have like a, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is, in person it is shiny. It almost looks like a foil, like it has a foil look to it. And I could have did that with the same brush. On the other eye, I'm going to do it with the same brush. So, I'm actually going with this purple right here. Place it where there's nothing left. Place it on the inner and outer corner. On top of the pink to kind of blend them together. Really see, when you come in closer, you can really see, like the outside you can't see it, but the end, like that's how the purple looks on the outside too. It's really pretty. And whoop bam. Now, you could leave it like that, but I am extra teeny weeny. It's a concealer brush. I don't know what would be considered. I did used to use this to outline my eyebrows, but I don't use it no more. I use a different brush. So I'm gonna take this itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow dot bikini and I am going to, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm going to wet my brush like little spritz. And I'm going to go in with this gold right here. Let's pray that this works. And I am going to and boom. Y'all see that? You need some gold, some silver, some gold. So let's go ahead and throw some eyeliner on. I'm using the ICO London as usual. That's where I draw the line. Waterproof eyeliner in the color black. And that is how the eye is looking. Where, So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eyes. Finish up the other eyes. How many eyes I got? I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, guys. So your girl has finished up the other eye. It was a little bit trickier. If you watch my last video, you know that I do have a lazy eye, and it's hard to get stuff even on the left side, but somehow I managed to do it. I did off camera. I went back in with a little black, and I'm gonna show you on this side, and I just went as close as I could to the line just to kind of darken it. Oh, I'm sorry guys, just to kind of darken it. Back up a little, and then I went in with the eyes are done. Yes, eyebrows are on fleeky. Now I just need to go ahead and finish my face, and I will be right back, guys. All right. Okay, so for my lip, I wanted to, hold on guys. Okay, so for my lip, I wanted to come back on camera. I really didn't know what color I wanted to do for my lip. So I said just go with something and then go with something. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip with this brown pencil. If they are hella dry today for whatever reason. So I'm gonna go in with my AOA Wonder Matte in the color Vintage. Okay, this is how the color looks. So it's like a deep plummy. Guys, so here is the final look. Just ignore my hair. Guys, so here is the final look. Excuse my hair. I love it. I think this is the best look I have created so far. I mean, in all my skimpy years of doing makeup, I mean, it really flatters me. And my eyes, my eyebrows are on point today. Even though they don't look like it, they are. I promise you they are. But yes, like everything was on point for me today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, 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 please like and comment. Don't even care if you subscribe. If you do, hey, welcome to the family. If not, you know, maybe you'll come back next time and you give some thought or something. But all right, guys. I'm dead. I'm truly dead. Alright, to the next video. Bye.